Yo guys, so today is a good day. We have just picked up my supercar because it was super far. I'm just kidding. But anyways, bro, guys, we just picked up this car and it's amazing. I wrapped it, so it's wrapped already, and this camera's pretty cool. Looking at the camera, and first time using it. So I was always used to using my phone, but now we got this Canon 4x optical zoom because I like the vroom vroom. But anyways, guys, so I'm about the supercar. I did have help with some connects and laid down the cash, and my boy made it happen. I don't know if he wants to shout out, but he likes to stay a little bit on the D-low, but we made it happen. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the car here in a bit. Actually, I'm just gonna show you right now. Let's get it. The baby, bring it home. But check it out. So guys, this is the car. It looks amazing. It does say V10, but it's not a V10. It is a V8. My boy had an extra one, so he went ahead and swapped it out, and I told him not to, but he said just leave it, and I was like, all right, whatever. So that's how we have it. Yo, so that is the baby right there, chilling like a villain. So guys, yeah, I went ahead and wrapped it in Nardo Gray and Nazatech. I do have a little bit of footage of it, so maybe I might put a video together and post it up and so you guys will see the process of it. So guys, the panel, it was silver, and I went ahead and wrapped it. Forged carbon fiber. That's a vinyl wrap 3M makes. And then a Nardo Gray. Jeez. Looks clean, looks clean. My rims, I might change the color. Probably gonna make it black. The bottom trim, I'm probably gonna wrap it black today, but I'm gonna probably just leave it for now. Might just buy, not sure if I should buy the carbon fiber to match the wing, but I might just wrap it since I am a rapper. And this is real carbon fiber, as you can see. Bought all the badges, emblems. This boy looking solid. Solid. Alright. The thing drives amazing. No check engine lights. My air light is on for wheels. I don't know why it's not turning off. I just put air in it. And my trunk lid light is on. Now I did get it. I did get the car a little smashed up, banged up, but we fixed it. We, as in most of my boy. But man, that thing's looking, jeez. So that is the baby, the R8 supercar in my possession. I still am in my 20s. It was a goal for me to own a pretty cool car in my 20s, but let alone a supercar in my 20s. So, you know, it's a big accomplishment for me. And, well, the house was too. This is my house. So, we live in a pretty cool neighborhood, I guess. Birds chirping, and birds are lurking. But anyways, guys, for the longest time, I've been driving this beast. That's the chick magnet right there. Yes, sir. What y'all know about Priuses? But anyways, guys, so I was gonna sell the car, but I am in the negatives now, so I'm gonna keep it. I need that for insurance reasons, and this car, just in case I get too dummy with it, I'll need the Prius. So, hey, the Prius is a lifesaver. So, that's the beast. You guys will see more videos of it, but we are going to start finishing up this front bumper on the Mustang. So, I'll probably set my camera down here in a bit and get this front end done. And it's very hot and I'm sweating. And that's the boy right there. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. So we took the bumper off. We ended up taking it off, and looks pretty. Looks like one of the, what's that movie called? With that little robot on the Disney Channel.
Wally.
Wally. This is Wally right here, baby. Anyway. Yeah, and then yeah, because of the fog lights, whatever. Wally. Cleaning this real good. This thing getting some deep cleaning. And you realize like how many chips are on this thing. Sorry guys, I'm a little congested. Allergies are kind of killing me right now. So yeah, cleaning this whole thing. And we got a surprise coming for the R8. I don't even think you'll be able to see. Zoom a little bit. Yeah. The wheels are off, guys. Wheels are off. Boom, getting cleaned by the boy. So, we're gonna get this done. This boy gonna learn to wrap a bumper today. Maybe, we'll see. It'll probably be me doing the whole bumper, but it's all good. It's about to be fun. All right, I'm gonna try to set up my camera to see if I can get a cool view of me wrapping this whole thing, or us both. And yeah, we'll go from there. Got this side done, y'all. Whew. That's cool. Now I'm about to wrap this side and I'll show you guys the top part after. Whew. And it's hot and it's like midnight. I'm sweating. But yes, sir. Getting it done. Yo, guys. So today is kind of the next day. Not really. We had a lot of stuff to do the very next day, so today is actually like the 4th day. Man, it's bright. But we finished the front bumper and show you guys how it came out. It's not bad. I'll have to fix a little bit right here. And it's about all the film we had, so when we get more film, I'm gonna rewrap it. But it looks cool. Looks good for now. Yeah, buddy. And that boy did the roof too. So this beast is, he might leave it like this, so we'll see what happens. And he is out. But then guys, the R8 is looking beautiful. Actually dirty, but beautiful. Jeez, rims are looking fresh still. These rims are looking fresh. A little dusty and dirty, but it's looking good. All we know is the R8 is looking smacking. Jeez. chilling. Then we got the presidential suite ride, 4 Giottos. Look at that beast. And then we got the BMW. Got some work on that. Got some work on this. This is my baby. Man, my baby's actually really dirty. But yeah, guys, that's what it is. We'll probably take it for a run tonight. Not a run, but might take it out for a drive and air up these tires, because those tires look flat. Good morning, guys. So it is the next day. Customer came and picked up their car. I didn't really show much of the car because I still need to finish it. I only finished one side of the car, and it took me forever to do the chrome delete. Man, I keep looking at my screen, not my lens. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna take this puppy out. Yeah, buddy. And we're gonna see. Oh, I made the wheels black. We're gonna take it to Starbucks. Actually, we're gonna drop off my friend. Ooh. Good morning. I gotta get like a mount. The YouTube begins. This thing drives amazing. I like how this one drives way more than the GT350.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, it shifted for me. Yes, sir.
Shifting a little weird.
Shifting a little. Alright, guys. What? Oh, yeah. This boy sticks to that ground.
I've seen the lady walking her dog.
That boy shifted for me.